Okay, this is our latest Bridgeport Vari machine. This machine is a variable speed head. It's got a 2-axis DRO. Beautiful chrome beds, really excellent condition. Beautiful table as well. We're going to run through the machine now and just show you everything running, and then please come down and see it for yourself in real life. Okay, so complete strip down rebuild on this machine. So there's almost no backlash at all on the X-axis there. Absolutely beautiful. Same on the Y, I'll just do that now. So the Y, almost no backlash at all. Just enough to keep it nice and smooth. And it's lovely and smooth all the way across as well. Really nice. So that's all working absolutely perfect. Same with the knee, it's all been serviced, new bearings in the knee and so on. So that's all absolutely perfect and all nice and silent for you. You'll also notice as well, there's all brand new lock. The locks are all serviced and all working perfectly. You can put an X-axis handle there if you wish, but at the moment it's just the grub screw style one. Underneath here, you'll see the lube system's all been serviced. There's a brand new lube pump. All new valves, all new pipes, so that's all working absolutely perfectly. So that's all ready to go. There is actually 2 additional locks on this particular one, on the knee. You don't really need those, but they are working all there. This one's fine for the knee, this lock. Okay, so back to the electrics. This end one here, this is the coolant pump. So that's in the back of the machine. It's got all new lube pipes, everything you need. So that's in the back of the machine there. Power feed one, that needs to be on for the power feed to work, so we'll fire it up. Yep. It's just knocked down to the stop, the 0 feed on the variable speed there. Okay, so that's probably about the slowest now. So you should be able to see it moving in the X-axis there. And that's all variable speed. So it varies all the way up to almost rapid really. And you can rapid override any time with this red button on the top. When you go into the stops here, it stops automatically. You can adjust those to wherever you wish them to be. But hidden underneath here there are hard stops. So as long as you don't take these off and don't go past the hard stops, you'll be absolutely fine. Because you don't want to do that because there is a linear scale on the back and you could potentially maybe damage the scale if you took the locks off, so just leave them where they are. Okay, so you're happy with all of that. I'll just get it back to the middle again. Okay, so now we'll test, happy with the bottom end, we'll test the variable speed head and the quill to let you see them all running. Okay, so firing up on the variable speed head. We're running around 1,000 RPM at the moment. And I'll start testing the quill. Engage the quill, you see the feed handles coming down. So for every spindle speed you have 3 different feed rates. So that's the highest, that's the lowest, that's the medium there. So they're all working fine. Knock the quill off with 2 hands, simple as that, you screw it. I can also alter the direction so I can feed back up now. See it's feeding back up on the handle. So that's all fine. Swap it again just to show you what all does work. Speed it up a bit. And I've just let this come down, you see in the video that will knock off automatically now. Okay, all turns off automatically. Okay, all the way to the top. Just show you this, there's a spindle lock there. Make sure it's all the way off when you're in normal use. So put it on, That's reversed now. Again, 2.5. 2.2 is probably about your limit on the bearing really. Back to 1,000. And then down to 500. Okay, so we're going to change the low range now. Now, when you change it, sometimes this handle's in the way, so just get that out of the way first. Then you get the angle correct for the change from high to low. Push this handle in, turn it round, make sure it locks in before you fire up. Put the handle back up. And fire up, it's just as quiet in low. RPM, 280. And back down to 70. That's right in the middle, just let you listen to that for a second. Okay, in reverse now. Change back to the high. I'm just going to show you it's got the neutral. So the handle's in this position, so pointing towards the table, and you'll see that the spindle freewheels as it should, if you're clocking up a PCD or whatever. Okay, into high. Make sure you've locked it in. Fire it up, and away you go. All running good. So I just want to show you the guard system. Okay, so I've got power feed up, spindle's running, power feed's running, someone opens the guard, shuts down anything that can cause a problem. It leaves on your DRO and it leaves on your light, because obviously the last thing you want is for those two to go off. You'd lose your data on your DRO, which wouldn't be ideal. So to fire back up again, turn your spindle off, turn your power feed off, close your guard, and then you need to, because it brings on an E-stop condition, press your green one down here. All fires up again, and you're good to run as well. Okay, so yeah, demo over. Please come down and see it for yourself in real life. Machine's ready to go. Thanks a lot for watching.